Hello everyone, I am Jack and I'm back. And I have things wired up, but apparently I don't have everything wired up correctly. So let me explain what I've got. So I have this control board right here. And when I plug 5 volts in from the computer, both of these lights light up. One is power, 5 volts, and then the other one says relay. Then I wired these wires together, and I did X direction, X dir, and X CLK to the positive dir and positive pull right here. All right, and then there was an enable on the control board, and I did that to ENA plus. So I did the plus on ENA, dir, and pull, all from this board. Wired up the stepper motor, and when I did that, I found the pairs and just randomly called one A and B, and then randomly called one A plus, A minus, and then one B plus and B minus. Then I took the power and ground here and ran it to a variable power supply set at 23.5 volts. All right, then I hooked up the Mach 3 to the control board, and I expected the stepper motor, it's locked right now, I expected it to turn each time that there was a move on the X axis. It did not happen. So what I did was I disconnected the cable, connected it to my tester, and sure enough, the lights are flashing like I would expect them to do. I don't know which ones flash for what, but the fact that I see lights flashing makes me think that it should work. So what I cannot plug this in between because there's a male, female, oh, well, that's what it is. This thing's so big that I can't leave the 5 volts there. So I've got to unplug this and plug that in. Give me just a second. Maybe I can do it one-handed. I doubt it though. All right, so I unplug this and plug it into the board. Like so. All right, so when I plug it in, the relay light goes out. Okay, I do have a light here on the driver. If you look over here, and then my hand's in the way. There we go. And then there is the dip switch settings. I left it the way it came. Okay, so now I'm going to reload Roadrunner only because it reached the end, and I don't know how to get it to work without reloading it. All right, it's reloaded. It's at the start of the program, and I will hit. All right, it is going through its cycle. If this was connected, the lights would be blinking. It's not connected, but I would expect that whenever I see, again, the X move, which it's moving constantly, I would have expected this motor to turn. So my question is, what am I missing? There were an unbelievable number of wiring diagrams out on the internet on how to do this, but none of them matched this control board and this stepper driver. So I just guessed at how to do it. So if anyone can help me figure out, I suspect that I'm missing a wire here, or they're connected to the wrong pin there, or something. At least I didn't see smoke, so that was good news, but I also don't see any movement. So if someone can help me figure out what I've done wrong, I would appreciate it. All right, like, subscribe, hit the alert, hit the thanks if you want to donate, and if you don't like what I'm doing, you don't know Jack. Bye.